So I'm being accused of coming on to you, Deepika. I'm going to move straight on into something else.
That's because your producer said you're like going like that.
And so are you, madam. So be careful. Don't you come on to me.
Oh, but I have to ask you.
Yes.
I hear someone thinks you're really charming.
And who's that someone apart from you?
Oh.
Come on, let's hear it. You have to ask me, then ask me. She's too funny to get shy of her own question. Okay, then let's
Mr.
move on.
Parvez Musharraf.
Oh, Mr. Parvez
I saw
Musharraf.
that episode. and
General
I think he's-
Parvez Musharraf, honey. General Parvez Musharraf thinks I'm charming. I think he's even charming. So, but we're not here to talk about him. We're here to talk about you. Now, you've been on many covers. Recently, you've just done Harper's Bazaar as well. You went to Phuket for it
Yes.
for 2 days or
Yeah.
3 days of luxury. Is it all like, oh, it's super luxurious, you get spoiled in dinners and drinks and lunches,
There
or
is no
is it a
food.
lot of hard work?
It is a lot of hard work. I mean, when they asked me for it, I was more than happy, and I was only thinking about the holiday part of it. And it's only when I landed there and I see my photographer and I'm like, okay, now I'm here for work.
Chandni Chowk to China, you did a lot of hard work. You were doing all the stunts. Do you think it's okay for actors to kind of almost make stuntmen and women redundant by doing their job?
See, I always wanted to do an action film, and for me with Chandni Chowk, with the kind of training that I went through, I don't think I would have ever got the opportunity to do that.
So then you put in all this effort and you go all over the world, 7 premieres. Do you watch the film then in one of the premieres and go, maybe this is not working? Did you ever feel that?
A little bit, you know, when you do watch a film, very honestly, I'm sure as an actor you kind of know what is happening at that point. But at the same time, you don't want to believe it. Because you've worked so hard, everyone's worked so hard, and somewhere you think that, okay, maybe you are overreacting, or I'm being too critical of my work.
You mean you're buying into other people's, you know, or the yes man thing of like it's great and it's...
Yeah.
And switching off your own gauge in a sense of...
See, I'm very critical of my own work anyway. So I mean, I kind of... I didn't know what was happening once we came out of the premieres, because everyone apparently really enjoyed it.
And it's not affected your star power or your status in Bollywood?
No, I don't think one film can do that. And I mean, films will come and films will go. I just have to, I can't let the success or the failure of a film affect me to that extent.
Does it affect your price? One film that not doing well, do you still have the power of negotiating the price that you want?
I'm too new to be even thinking of price and all of that. Maybe once you're more established, or I really don't know how it works.
What do you think, especially in this kind of troubled time of recession that we're living in? These are astronomical prices that actors charge. Even otherwise, they're not kind of in sync with, you know, the returns. But now even more so. What do you think about that?
No, I think as an industry, we've all realized the situation, and I think everyone's doing their part, whether it's reducing cost in a certain way, or coming down on their own fee, or in whatever little way. I don't know how the others are doing it, but we're all working towards it.
So now you've come almost full circle. You've come back to be the showstopper at Tarun Tahiliani, and you used to walk the ramp. That's how you started your career in a sense. Now, are you doing this to be the showstopper at Fashion Week? Are you doing this from the goodness of your heart? Or are you getting paid a whopping sum for it?
No.
No, to which?
No, there's absolutely no money involved. I love walking the ramp. It gives me this beautiful high, and yeah.
Do you get the same high in front of the camera as well as you do with a live audience?
It's a different kind of high, but yes.